In this video, we're going to be replacing the rear drop links on a BMW X6, same as the X5, E70, E71 models. It's quick and easy, so let's do this. So here you can see the drop link, damage there, leaking its goo, the gator is all broken, so this is what we need to replace. Same on the other side, that's not going to last much longer. So it's really easy this. You can do it with the wheel still on. Get a bit of WD-40 if you're going to help yourself. Penetrating oil, which is ever your chosen one. It's just about undoing it. It's only one nut, one bolt, but you just got to hold that center in while you're undoing it. Make sure to get the right one because they do vary. Same thing on the upper one. Like I said, you could do this with the wheel on. My one got stuck, so I knocked it off. You can see. And here we go. It's really easy. Just pull it apart. It's all loose. There you go, slip it out. Okay, so now here is the old one and just getting a close-up on it. And already you can see how battered and bruised it is. And inside there, look, it's going to open it up. Its guts are open. Now, it wasn't quite knocking yet, but it wasn't far from knocking. So this is what you're going to be looking out for. You might as well replace them. They're pretty good value for money. And yeah, these are super easy to fix. This will take you 15-20 minutes to change both. So here's a new one. Remember, you can go get this from my website, www.bmacvags.com. Get yourself great replacements. I'll put the link in the description of where you can get them from. And look, the upper ball mount there is super tight where the other one was overly loose. Now, these are big cars, so these are always going to use up parts like this. So make sure you change them regularly and not cost yourself later on. Replacement is just the reverse of removal. Super easy. No tricks of the trade to be taught here or learnt. You can see I'm just working it up, pushing it in. And there really is nothing to it. Now, this in England is what we call an MOT failure or an inspection failure if you're in the US. So you can just do these parts yourself. There's no reason for a mechanic to have to do this, or you know what I mean, you have to pay extortionate money for these things. A lot of these things are really simple and DIY level, so if you just take your time, you'll get it done. So always replace these in pairs. Once you've done one side, hit up the other side, and it is exactly the same procedure as before. Like I said, make sure you get that Torx bit inside. They do vary, so you know you're gonna have to look at your particular arm. And it's just tightening up. You can get your Torx specs if you want, but once it's tightened up, it's got Loctite thread on it, it'll look after itself. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one.